Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Brains. I hope you all are well and you all covered all the previous sessions from my channel. Before starting the session, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and get all the updates. So now we start our today's session. Our today's session is related to strengths. I divide this topic in two parts, part A and part B. Today I covered part A with all of you, and in the next session we covered part B. So now we start with the session with the introduction of strings. What is a string? String is a sequence of characters which is enclosed between either single or double quotes. Python treats both single and double quotes same. Okay. How we can write my string in single quotes and double quotes? We discussed everything practically also. Quotes. What is triple quotes? It is used to create string with multiple lines. Okay, if you just want to write a very big paragraph, or if you just want to write few lines, some article, so in that case you use triple quotes. Now how we can use that practically, we discuss that thing. So how we can define my string? Suppose that I just want to define my string. This is what A is my variable and A is a string type variable. I just use double quotes to define my string. If in the same way, if I just want to use the single quotes, then it's okay. You can use single quotes also. If I just want to store a big sentence or big paragraph, then in that case, you can use triple quotes also. Hello, how are you? Learn Python with Python brains. So you can use triple quotes also if you want. Okay. So you have three ways. You can use single quotes also, you can use double quotes also, and you can use triple quotes also. Okay. Now if I just want to print my strings, then I normally write print A. Then the second one is B, so I can write print B. Then the next one is C, so I can write print C. So this is the way how I can declare my string and print my string. Next topic we have string slicing, or you can say that string traversal. Both the topics we discuss simultaneously. So for string slicing, first of all you understand this part. Suppose that there is one string that is a Python. So in the string, every character has its own index value, or you can say that the position. If you can check from this side, so that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the positive index. If you check from this side, then it is a negative indexing. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 we have. Okay. -6 we have in this. So we have positive indexing also and negative indexing also. Using this index value, we can access any element of my string. Suppose that my string is this, and now I just want to print letter T. So letter T position is 2 according to the positive indexing, and letter T position is -4 according to the negative indexing. So how can I print? I write print A is my string name, and then in the square bracket I write 2. Okay, now you can see the letter T is here. Similarly, I can write A in the square bracket, you can write 4. So again the same thing. So in the same way, if you just want to print any letter from the particular string, so you can access that particular letter. Okay. Same way, the slicing is there. Slice means what? A piece of something. Similarly, string slicing is what? Substring. If you just want to extract a substring from your main string, then we can use a string slicer. If I write print a this 2:5. Now, what is the meaning of 2:5? The meaning of 2:5 is we start from the position 2 and end to the position 5. But position 5, the ending position never include in this. So, in this, what letters are there? We print the position 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So, 2, 3 and 4 is what? THO. 2, 3 and 4 letter only 2 THO we have. Similarly, if I just want to write like this, suppose that I write 2 colon and then nothing. Okay, means starting value is there but ending value is not there. If ending value is not there, so it starts from number 2 and goes till end. So THON, N is my last character. Similarly, if I just want to write like this, I write this and 4. Means now I missed my starting number. Okay. And give the last position. Last position is 4. And as I discussed it with you, the last number we never include. So it's number 3. But starting number is not there. If starting number is not there, then we start from 0. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3. That means PYTH. It's like this. Okay. PYTH. It's printed like this. So this is the way how we can use the string slicing method. In the same way, you can use negative indexing also in this. But now the next point in this, suppose that I write A 1:5:2. Now what is this third value? This is my starting value, this is my ending value, and the last one is my step value. Means how many steps I just want to jump in this. Okay. So in this, the numbers included 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is not included in this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. But 1 is there, after that 2 steps. So after that 3 is printed. Okay. So output is 1 is Y, and now we take 2 steps together. So next we jump on H. Number 3 means this is the way how we can print. Okay. So last one is my step value. One more example we just can see for the step value there. So like A, I can write 0:5:3. Now 3 steps together. So once I take the 3 steps together, then what happened in this? In this, PH is there only. Starting is P. Now 3 steps together, then we jump directly to the number 3 position and H is there. Is it clear now? So this is the way how we can traverse my string. You can say that access the element of my string or print my element. This is a one more example is here for slicing. Like my string is computer science, and first of all I print my entire string, then the 0 position of the string only, then 1 to 4, then 2 to n, and then str times 2 that I explain you in the operator part. Okay. So this is the way how I can slice my string. Next is traversing my string. My string is there and I just want to traverse means each character of the string can be accessed sequentially using for loop. So next we have how we can traverse my string. Suppose that I have one small string Python brains. Okay. And after that, if I just want to print this string, so I write for I in str, okay, and then I write print I. This is a simple way, okay. But the basic part here you understand, if I just want to traverse my string in a simple way, then I can use any looping structure. Okay, so I write print I, okay, and then normally I can print this structure. Okay, so it prints like this. Python brings every character sequentially. Okay, next we have in this, how can I compare my two strings? So we already learned comparison operators. Okay, we already learned comparison operators. So comparison operators we have greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to we have. So we use any comparison operator to compare my two strings. So now, but the point is that how the Python compares. Python compares strings basically using ASCII value of the character. Okay, now what is the ASCII value? So you can just note it down one thing. A ASCII value is 97 and capital A ASCII value is 65. Okay, so if you know the both the values, then you can easily compare your string in a such way. So how it compares? Suppose that we have Maria equal to Manoj. Okay. So first it compare the ASCII value of M and M, both are equal. Then A and A both are equal. Now it compare the ASCII value of R and N. Okay. So you know the ASCII value of small a also and capital A also. Okay. So according to that you increase the value, like capital A is 65. So B is 66. C is 67. Like that you just know the values of all the characters. Okay. So according to that you compare the values. Okay. And then according to that it just gives the output in the form of true or false. But in that case, if first characters are different, let's take another example. If I just want to compare my two strings, Python and Braille. So I write Python is greater than Braille, then it falls. So how it compares? It compares P with B only. If both are not equal, so here the comparison stops. Just take a decision on the basis of first comparison. Okay, it basically not compare the other value. Okay, but if for in the first case comparison is equal, then only it can move to the next character. So this is the way how we can compare my strings. Next we have, how can I update my string? Okay, now let's take a small example where 1 is equal to, I write computer science. Okay, and now I just want to update my string. So I write where 1 on what position. I'll just take few characters. Slicing part is there. Okay, means 0 to 6. What is the meaning of this? 0 to 6. Now I use here plus operator. And I just want to add this with my string. Okay. And after this, I just print var1. So now see, compute with Python. Okay. If you want to update your string, so this is the way how you can update your string. So whatever the string is there, you can edit that or you can update that. Okay, so what we learn in today's session, we covered some basic points. What is a string, how we can declare the strings, how we can access the string splicing, string updation, and string comparison. Okay, so the next topic to be continued in the next session. In the next session, we will cover string operators, string methods, and all the functions. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Till then, please cover this session, the introduction part of the string. Rest advanced topic of the string I will cover in the next session. Thank you.